Inconsistency across state law enforcement.
That's what FF12 investigator Devon found when she asked for body camera video. But Devon, you learned that some say that inconsistency is a good thing.
Law enforcement leaders, some of them have told me that is a good part of the law. Take a look at this map. This is what I showed you at 6. I asked for body camera video of a traffic stop from more than 100 agencies across the state. Those in black don't have body camera video. Those in gray are outside of our coverage area or they didn't respond. But take a look at these bright colors. Those in green are ones that gave me video. Those in red did not. All cited Kansas law, and some tell me this is not a bad thing.
3 months after losing their dad, 3 children watch a video of his picture.
She should be able to play with her daddy. My son shouldn't have to call someone to go fishing with him. His dad should be there to take him. My daughter should have her father there to tell her that she's a beautiful 11-year-old girl.
But they can't because of this night.
I didn't think it would be, but I don't want to go back here with the dogs.
The Barber County undersheriff shot Stephen Myers with a beanbag round and killed him, and now Myers' family has been pushing for answers. Namely, why it took the sheriff's office 2 months to release copies of body camera video after initially refusing.
Barber County Sheriff, K-9!
They waited till the very last minute to release it.
Myers' wife, Christina, and her attorneys are now pushing to change the law, but some say it's fine as is.
The legislation has to be able to balance the needs of the public, the right for the public to know, and the rights of individuals.
Andover Police Chief Mike Keller says the current law does that. He says there shouldn't be a blanket rule because all cases are different. In this case, he did not give me the video.
Why did you deny my request?
Basically, it was I didn't want to set a precedent of just opening videos.
While 30 agencies said no, 22 agencies across Kansas gave me the body camera video, including the Sheridan County Sheriff's Office.
8191, are you guys 1036? The laws and the current statutes as they stand are pretty easy to understand.
The vehicle did not want to pull over and is blocking the south lane.
Sheriff Brandon Carver gave me the video because there's no open investigation. His undersheriff, Mark Sheets, says that's one of few reasons the office wouldn't release it.
Realistically, there's very few limitations as to why an agency can refuse it. And that, very few.
It's going to be 1044, U83.
The sheriff says they think about every request.
Everybody has reasonable expectation of privacy. And so for the public, whether it's the victim or a witness that may be included in such incident body camera footage, you have to be very careful.
While these men say they know the law well, some don't.
I was curious if your deputies have body cameras.
A few agencies told me they decided how to respond to my request based on what others were doing.
Bye.
That led these men to talk about a change they think is necessary.
I will tell you that we have had some conversations within our Chiefs Association, and we believe that one of the things we do need to put out there is better training on that.
I think it just behooves any law enforcement officer to do the research and know the laws to the best that they can.
I asked Christina Myers how she'd feel about more training instead of a change in the law. She tells me she's for that idea. She just knows there needs to be some change, especially in Barber County, and soon.
The body cameras are supposed to protect the police and us both. They're not supposed to be able to hide behind that. And that's what they've been doing, is hiding.
Some law enforcement leaders tell me if the video is aired in court, it will then be public, which is true under the law. But should a jury see the video for the first time in court Sunday at 10? Melissa Scheffler talked to jury consultants about that question.